Hey guys, greetings. This is ZagaTechFX. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you guys on how you can, set up an alert. I think people have asked about it. Set up an alert to get an alert on your phone using NOS. And secondly, I'm going to talk about how to install EA. And few people don't know how to install EA and configure EA. Some EA are good, some EA doesn't work. And thirdly, how to set your TP and stop loss for newbies, and a few other things I'm going to share with you guys. So with no further ado, let's get started. This is ZagaTechFX, and let's get it on. This is my chart. The first thing I'm going to talk about is how to set up your alert. The first thing you need to do to set up your alert, this is an indicator chart, and to set up an alert, let me add one indicator. Let me add one template of indicator and see what is happening. Let me add this scalping trade FX Nook. I think I've added this. This is FX Nook for scalping. Now look at what happens. If I want to set up an alert, to get an alert on this kind of trend, this is exactly things I'm going to do. The first thing first is this: click on tools, click on option, then over to notifications. Download MT4 on your mobile phone and log in. Maybe create a demo account or whatever you want to do that like that. Now the things you need to do now is this: when you download your MT4 mobile, not desktop, mobile, after you're logging to your demo account or a live account, then there's a menu called settings there. When you click on settings, there's going to be a pop-up on your phone that's going to show you all the settings you have. Then scroll down or scroll up to where you see messages. Below the messages, you will see what we call meter quotes ID, something like meter quotes ID, something like this on your phone. So there will be an 8-digit code there below or beside the meter quotes ID. So type that code inside this platform. It's supposed to be 8 digits. You see, it's supposed to be 8 digits. If you type more than 8 digits, it's going to be red. So it's supposed to be 8 digits number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you type more than 9, it's going to show you red. It's wrong. So after typing that into your MT for this platform here, just get that phone meter quote ID number. It's not your account number. It's not your trading. This is not your trading number. It's ID, your meter quote ID. So when you download it, go to your settings. Under messages, you see meter quote ID. Depending on the phone you are using. If you're using a tab, you do that. If you're using a smartphone, click on menu on your meter quote, the meter quote icon. Scroll down to settings and come down to your meter quote ID. Messages, you see that meter quote ID. Insert it here, and that's all. Then click on test. It's gonna send an automatic message to your phone instantly. Now, after that, if you want to set up your email notification, you must have a web hosting server where you can enable email, put your SMTP and login and other things. But I'll still do that on when I'm doing a lecture of VPS. So this is how you can get notification on your phone. When you do that, you click test and click OK. That's all. So when you click test, it will send a message to your phone, and you get that message instantly. Then how to set up an alert with this indicator? You just right click on indicator list, come to this FX Nook, edit, then come to input, alert on, push notification true, and email notification true. So all the alerts here is on. You click OK. So anytime you get this kind of dot signal, it's going to send instantly to your phone. It is going to send it to your phone, or get a buy signal, it's going to send it to your phone. That's how you can set a mobile alert on your phone. Then the second one is how to install EA. If you get EA, if you buy an EA, or if you anyhow you can get or the one I sent to you on Telegram. The first thing you need to do for you to install EA is click on files, click on open data folder, allow it to load. This is your data folder. Then click on MQL4. Then you see an expert folder. This expert is more like expert EA, expert advisor, more like robots. So if someone tells you EA or expert advisor, all are the same thing. So you click on expert advisor and paste your EA here. Paste your EA here. After that, you close this off. Then click on this navigator icon here on your MT4. Go up to your script, or see this expert advisor here, EA. Click on it, right click on on any of them and click refresh. So it's going to refresh your EA, and the one you just pasted inside that expert advisor will appear here. Let's assume you pasted this let me say trend hunter. Then how do you attach it to charts? You have to click auto trade on first. Click this auto trade on, auto trading on. Then come to this trend hunter EA, right click on it, then attach to chart. From here you can do your settings. Some EA will have the about and other things, you know. From here you can do your settings, but on common, make sure you allow live trading, allow DDL imports, allow import of external experts. Check these boxes here. Then common, you have to choose long and short. Don't choose long and short, means it only long means it's gonna trade for you automatically, a buy trade. It won't trade a sell trade for you. Then only short gonna do is the EA is gonna trade short trade for you. That's gonna go short or go sell trades for you automatically. But if you click long and short, it's going to trade automatically long or short position for you. So allow live trading, allow DDL imports, allow import of external experts. Then when you are okay with this common, you come to input. Then you can set your lot size. See, first order lot size is this 0.01, which is mini lot size. You can check, you can do your configuration and know the kind of lot size you want to put in your trend, and set the timing hour. This is for trend hunter, so every EA has their own inputs and has their own configuration. So aside that, these the pairs you can trade with. These are all the pairs you can trade with using this trend hunter. So all the EA I sent to you guys, you can install it in put it in your expert advisor folder, refresh your chart and attach it. After that, you click OK. When you click OK, you have at the right hand side here, as you can see here, you see the EA is loading, which is complete. Then at the right hand side here, you see a smiling face. If you didn't attach it very well, you're going to see a moody face like emoji. You see a moody face like this, but it's a smiling face, which means it's working properly. Then below here, you see the balance, and automatically the trade is going to start up. So this is how you can install EA from first. This is how you can install EA from beginning to end. Now the second one is how to set your TP and SL, stop loss and take profits on your chart. Though I've showed you how to install EA. This is very simple. If you install a wrong one, it's going to show you a moody face. If you install the right one, it's going to show you a bright face here. Some EA takes time to. If you want to put another EA, for example, I want to put another EA here, scalping knife, I'll attach to chart. Okay, yes, I want to change this one, allow this and this. Input, I have to do other settings here and click OK. It will remove that first one and put so the trade has expired. So this EA has expired already. And Thunderbird, attach Thunderbird. Okay, everything in there, everything is the input. Do your settings on input, click OK. It's going to attach Thunderbird for you here, which is it is automatically placed trade for you. See that? Automatically placed trade for you instantly. See that? Placed up to 3 trades instantly. See TP here, see buy, see sell, all those things here. So then before you do that, before you attach your EA, look at what you're going to do. Come to this two here, options, come to this trade expert advisor here, then allow auto trading, allow DDL, and allow click. Check these 3 boxes, 1 2 3. Check these 3 boxes here. You may leave these 2 ones, you can read it very well because you're knowledge enough to understand what the meaning of this English. So check this one, check this one, check this one before you can be able to attach EA. That's the first thing you need to do. So if you check them, you can be able to attach EA to your chart, and it's going to work out. It's going to give you a smiling face and auto trade for you instantly. Now the other way around again is how you can set your TP and stop loss. Now if you want to set your take profit and stop loss, since I have opened this trade now, look carefully, this is an open trade automatically for me using this EA. If you want to set take TP and stop loss, double click on any of this line here. You can double click on swap. It will pop up your distance for you. It will pop up a chart for you. You can double click on here, any place you want to double click on the chart, on the pair you opened. Like this one is DPP Chef. I double click on it, it's opened. Now I have to come to this is type market execution. I click on it and scroll down to modify order. If I click on modify order, I will see my stop loss here, I'll see my take profit here. So how do I put my stop loss and take profit? I have to click this spot in here. Let's say this, I open this trade from this spot and I have to measure, say, okay, I want to take profit in 20 pips. I draw this to 20 pips that is 20 pips here, 22 pips, 20 pips. That is 20 pips. Price is 0.89534. Can you see that at the right hand side of that number? 0. That is the price of 20 pips. Now I have to come to this spot and write 89495. That's my take profit. And so that's how you can set your TP or stop loss. Then if you want to do that instantly, you want to execute a trade, like want to buy or sell instantly, you click new order here. It's going to show you, say market execution, instant order, volume. You have to change your lot size or volume. We call it volume or lot size. Euro GPP. I have to say, okay, Euro GPP, I have to use 0.03 lot size. Stop loss, I have to put my stop loss as maybe I will measure the market. Maybe the market is here. Let's say the market is here. Okay, let me use it. Okay, let's say the market is here, and I want to go for sell. I want to go for short, and I want to take my profits on this line here, this dotted line here, this small dotted line here. See that dotted line here? That is 0.91750. That's my take profit, and my stop loss is going to be above it. Maybe this above this tick line here. I'm just giving you an example. Above this tick line here, see? I have to note that down, 0.9204. So since I've clicked new order on this trade, I have to put my stop loss here. Type the price above here, this stop loss, because I want to go sell. I want to sell this pair, Euro GPP. I want to sell odd card here. So yeah, I want to sell odd card here, 0.3. I have to put my stop loss above this place. Then this one, take profit, I have to put my take profits. Maybe I want to take my profits here. I have to add it up here and put my take profits, which is very simple and very straight and very easy. That is it. And aside that, you can put pending order. This is pending order. If you want to put pending order, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. I think I've talked about this buy limit, sell limit and sell stop in one of my videos I posted, so I'm not going to talk about it again. Now this is exactly how you can put your stop loss and take profits on your trade. This is for newbies. The people that ask about that, this is for newbies. So that is it. You can right click, trade, new order here, or you press F9 on your system, or you click new order. It's going to pop up this, or you double click here on the trade you have already opened. You place a sell signal here. Sell. You want short on this trade. You double click on the trade and come to this type. Click modify order and put your stop loss and put your take profits, and okay, you can use points, 20 points, 50 points, or other things like 20 points or 50 points. You can click. After that, you click modify order. It will automatically paste your stop loss and take profit, or you come to new order here and do this, and this will pop up for you. Come to market, pending order or modify order. It's gonna do that for you. So that's how you can set your TP and stop loss on a trade which is already open. This is for a trade which is already open. TP and stop loss. This is SL. Stop loss. This is take profit. When you set it to where you see the numbers here, so we check the number of going short, you put it here. Check the numbers of taking profit, you put it here. That's all. That's how it is. And the other way around is, let's talk about remember to expert advisor allow this check this box. Then for notification, you put that code I asked you to put inside from your MT4 Mobile, and add the code here and click test. If you get the notification on your phone, it's working, and click OK. But it works well but anytime you switch off your system, it's not going to send a signal to you. That's why I recommend VPS. So if you have a VPS, Visual Private Server, and set it up, automatically it's getting signal because the system is on. Your VPS is on. Automatically be getting signal generated from your indicator or from your EA to your phone directly, and that is it. So if you want to send a signal to Telegram, it's a different expert advisor or indicator which you need to add here, then attach it to chat. That's how you configure anything you want to configure it to automatically send signal to your Telegram or any place you have your stuff around. So that is it. That is how it goes. All right, thank you guys, and God bless you. This is Agatek FX signing off. Peace.